So a lot of people will call in looking for a mortgage for a property that they saw on the internet that needs a little bit of work, or sometimes the properties need a whole bunch of work. And they'll say to themselves, or they'll say to me, they'll be like, hey, I want to buy this property. I know it needs a lot of work. It looks raggedy. It's in the middle of nowhere. It has all these repairs that it needs, but I am pretty handy because I am a contractor, or I'm handy, or I know people who know people that can get this stuff done, and it wouldn't be a big deal. And really, theoretically, it makes a lot of sense, right? But as with all things, if you are borrowing money from the bank, you have to follow the rules of the bank. And for banks, those properties that you buy with mortgage financing, with bank financing rather, they have to be in move-in condition. Certain loan programs allow for the properties to be in a little bit less, condition, meaning it could be what we call dated in the real estate industry. But under no circumstance can you buy something that is a full tear down or a full blown gut rehab with traditional bank financing. Now, there is a loan program for owner occupants, 203K. It's called FHA 203K, and this program allows you to get financing for the purchase price plus the cost of the repairs. Some lenders do this particular program. It is a great program if you can get someone who's an expert at it, if you have contractors who know what they're doing, and if you can kind of navigate and coordinate the process accordingly. I think it's a really good program. But for a lot of people, it just ends up being they end up biting off more than they can chew. Like, in theory, it sounds good, but baby, rehabs are stressful. Contractors could be stressful. And it just requires a level of diligence and oversight that people just either don't have, or they don't want to develop. So just wanted to come in and do my little PSA about that. So again, if you're using bank financing, you got to follow bank's rules. Property has to be in move-in condition, and that's what we got. If you got other questions, drop a comment down below. I'll be sure to come back and answer it. Also, my next home buyers workshop is virtual. It's on Zoom. It's going to be March the 2nd. And I do those every 2 weeks, about 5 o'clock, every other Sunday. So welcome to join me there, and we can talk about all things home buying. This is for Illinois and Texas people. All right. Link is down below in the comments. Talk to y'all later.